Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change the Salesforce user time zone. As an administrator, you got a task to change the one of Salesforce user time zone. So how you gonna do it? So let's see. Click on the setup, then search for the users, then click on users. So here you will see all the user list. Then you need to choose the user which asked for to change the time zone. Then click on the user. So I want to change the time zone for my charter expert user. So user detail page gets open. And then after you can see here is the field time zone. So to edit this time zone, click on edit button. Scroll down here in local settings you can see the time zone, so I want to use the EST time zone. Yeah, so yes. Okay, so here is all the time zone, so you need to choose the time zone which is asked. So here I will choose this one, Europe and Amsterdam. Here I will choose the Central European Summertime, Europe, Amsterdam, and for this you can see the English. You can search for the English uh, or the locale. So locale for the Europe. I will select as so I will select this English. Um, Europe for for the Europe, I will select the local as Dutch. Belgium is one of the Europe countries, so I will select Dutch and then click on save. So in this way, you can change the time zone and locale for the user. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.